Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi naman talaga natin makakuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo. Pero kung hindi ka makarelate, hindi ka makaresonate, okay lang, may mga next readings pa. And if you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo lang siya sa Facebook. Okay, let's start your reading. This is for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Meron akong TikTok ha, follow mo na lang ako doon, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Tsaka dito sa channel na Madam P Vlogs, dyan lang ako magla-live. So sa live, nagbibigay ako ng panakanakang personal reading sa mga magko-comment sa akin ng live. So hopefully may follow mo ako doon. Yan. So kung gusto mo rin naman magpa-reading, magpa-palm reading, and magpa-reading sa akin. Yan. I do sell bracelet on TikTok din. Ayan, yung mga pampaswerteng bracelet. Anyway, pwede ka mag-avail doon and then pwede kitang bigyan ng personal video mo dito sa YouTube para sa reading sa'yo. Palm reading. And konting tarot reading, yeah. Pero nakakonsentrate sa palm. Anyway, sinabi ko lang yun para sa mga nagtatanong kung nagpa-palm reading ba ako. Yeah. 7 of Pentacles, 5 of Swords, 1 more card. Okay, so we do have here the Ace of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Nakikita natin medyo mabagal yung flow pagdating sa money. Pero something is growing eh. Pwedeng sa ngayon, dun sa nag-grow na yon, konti pa lang yung nakukuha mo. Okay, pwedeng konti pa lang yung nararamdaman mo. Maybe hindi mo pa nararamdaman at all yung pinakabunga nung bagay na pinaghirapan mo. Maybe something in the past na pinundar, pwedeng sabihin natin ganon, or itinanim, yan. And medyo nagiging mabagal yung flow, hindi mo pa nararamdaman. And with the 5 of Swords, nakakita rin ako ng mga disappointment sa'yo ng mga nakaraan. Maybe regarding this Ace of Swords, regarding this new beginning. And ito yung nagiging kumukonsumo ngayon ng mind mo, ng pag-iisip mo. Maybe may mga bagay na parang hindi ka na sure. Like maybe something ended here with the Tower. And parang hindi ka na sure with the Queen of Wands. You feel like, may nakikita ko string. May nakikita ko, I don't know if you're dealing with someone na parang hinihila ka dito sa person, like there's something between the two of you. And pwedeng nag-end yun, parang hindi ka na sure. Like with the Tower, pwedeng nag-end siya completely. And clarify the Queen of Wands. The Hierophant, okay. So this is the person. This is Taurus energy. And the Two of Cups. Pwedeng may naging relationship sa inyo or special connection, like maybe soulmate, twin flame. I'm seeing twin flame connection kasi may string eh. May parang red string na nagko-connecta sa inyong dalawa. And I'm feeling like it is a very special connection with the Two of Cups. The world, this is distance. This is separation. sa inyo nitong person na ito. And yeah, there's this ending with the Ten of Swords. Medyo mahirap kasi you're thinking about your future, 'di ba? And masyado kang focus sa future eh. And maybe sa ngayon medyo nalalabuan ka sa future ninyo na dalawa nitong person na ito. Anyway, kunin ko lang yung Hierophant, no? This is pinaka main energy na yun ng person. Nakakonect mo. And alamin natin anong nangyayari ngayon sa connection ninyo ng person na ito. Please tell me, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides for Libra. Anong nangyayari ngayon sa connection ninyo ngayon ng person na ito? Spirit Guides, Angel. Okay, sorry about that. Naputol yung video. Unfortunately, biglang naghahang yung phone ko kasi eh. But anyway, there's this 5 of Cups, so medyo malungkot na energy yan. This is the saddest card sa lahat ng card sa tarot, no? So nakikita natin yung kalungkutan because maybe 10 of Pentacles is here, so maybe may mga something dito sa 3D world na nagiging dahilan ng kalungkutan sa inyo. Maybe may kinalaman ito sa money. I know, no, not money. But rather, mga material na nasa harapan ninyo ngayon. Kumbaga yung nakikita ninyo. Okay, if there's a spiritual connection sa inyo, pwedeng may kanya-kanya kayong sitwasyon ngayon sa harapan ninyo na nagdudulot ng ending sa connection ninyo. But I can still see this string. May 3 string akong nakikita. 3 yung nakukuha ko or nakikita kong string. And I want to know more about the string. So, yung string is yung connection. I'm feeling like I need to get another card for this. Gusto ko i-clarify itong mga string na ito. Please tell me, Spirit Guides. What's with the string? Actually, 3 string yung nakikita natin. There's this children, soulmate, and make the effort. Yeah, you could be dealing with your soulmate. And, yung iba sa inyo, maybe there's children or child na involved dito sa connection ninyo. Some kind of gift ang nakikita natin. I don't know, might be a gifted child or parang hindi kayang mag-let go because of a child, ganon. Kung walang soulmate connection, maybe hindi kayang mag-let go ng pareho sa inyo because like there's this child na involved sa connection. And yeah, this could be your soulmate. We do have here make the effort. So isa yung string kasi kung bakit parang hindi yung kahit anong iwas, kahit anong layo, kahit anong pagtanggi sa koneksyon, medyo mahirap itanggi because dito sa 3 string na nakikita ko. And we do have here make the effort. I feel like for some of you, yung make the effort dito is like connection ito na parang guided eh. Especially this is soulmate connection. Yan, past life relationship is at the bottom of the deck. So you could be dealing with someone na may past connection na kayo. And clarify the make the effort, please. Okay, make the effort is clarified by calling in your soulmate. So, yan, may communication. May time na maybe if someone here is hindi nakikipag-connect, yung isa is siya yung nagagawa ng paraan para magkaroon ng connection, like maybe through affirmations, through visualizations, through prayers, or communication, talagang literal na pwedeng siya yung nagagawa ng paraan para mag-hello man lang, mag-hi man lang. So, this is what is helping the connection na mag-bring together or magsama or magkaroon ng connection pa rin. Na although nakikita natin na pwedeng nagkakaroon ng ending, na nakakalungkot, masakit, parang hindi pa rin siya nag-i-end because of these reasons. Okay, so anyway, anong gustong mangyari ng person mo? Two of Pentacles is here. Clarify the Two of Pentacles. The High Priestess, ano ba yung nararamdaman mo na pakiramdam? Like, whatever is this intuition na nararamdaman mo towards your person. High chance kasi na yun yung totoo eh. Yung iba sa inyo, you feel like this person still loves you. Mahal ka pa rin niya. And that's the truth. Yun yung totoo. Mahal ka pa rin niya. And yung person na ito can also see yung connection ninyong dalawa. And nararamdaman niya rin na mahal pa rin kita. But both of you love each other. And nakikita natin yan with the Two of Pentacles because maybe nako-compare ka din niya sa mga tao sa paligid niya, and then nakikita niya na ikaw yung mas matimbang, and that the Knight of Cups wants to offer you something. Gusto niya mag-offer sa'yo. And you are showing here as the High Priestess, the soulmate. Gusto niyang mag-offer ng something sa'yo. And ano yung offer? Tell me, Spirit guides, angel guides, please, what is the offer all about? We do have here true love and keep an open mind. Actually, nakikita natin dito na kakaiba ito sa ine-expect mong offer. This is like an offer of a lifetime kind of energy. And gusto ko malaman, ano tong offer na ito. Tell me more about the offer. Meron talaga siyang gustong i-offer sa'yo. And ito yung gusto niyang mangyari, and I feel like gagawin niya ito in the near future for you. Yung pagbibigay ng offer. Like he or she can feel your energy. Seven of Cups. What is the offer all about? Knight of Swords and the Page of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel like this is an offer na matagal mo nang gusto, but you're not yet ready. In the past, kumbaga in the past, maybe I'm feeling like in the past, pwedeng nabanggit or nasabi niya na tong offer na to, or kung hindi man niya nasabi, at least may hint. Kung connected na kayo nitong person na ito, ay yung iba sa inyo, something to do with the child. Offer na may kinalaman sa child. Or maybe with the Knight of Swords, something to do with pagta-travel. Okay. Tell me more about the offer, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. The Lovers and the Tower is here. May something siyang gustong buuin na kasama ka. Like, this is something na nag-end. Pero gusto niyang buuin. Tell me more about this. What's with the Tower? Six of Cups. Yeah. Alam niyang may, like, gusto niya magtulungan kayong dalawa regarding this ending. I want to know more about the emotions ng person mo patungkol sa'yo. Queen of Pentacles is here. Four of Swords. And King of Wands. Emotion niya is, there's a lot of passion. Sabi ko nga, Queen and King of Wands is here. So, you could be dealing with a twin flame or a soulmate. So, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo towards this person is, ganun din naman yung nararamdaman niya patungkol sa'yo. I feel like both of you are ready. If you're dealing with a twin flame or soulmate, pareho kayong ready. But, tell me about the connection. So, yeah. Kailangan lang ng desisyon. Yeah, the King and Queen of Pentacles are here. Financially, both of you are aligned. Diba? Pwedeng sakto lang kung ano man yung mga meron sa inyo ngayon. Both of you are nagpapakita ng stability. And kung ano yung mga meron sa inyo ngayon, ito yung pwedeng magiging makakatulong para makapag-decide kayo pareho in the near future. And the Seven of Wands is here. Medyo marami kayo nakikitang kalaban dito sa connection ninyo. But the Ace of Swords, marami din naman tumutulong or nag-guide para mangyari or masolusyonan nyo kung ano man itong mga nagiging problems na ito. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? I will not take this. Masyadong marami. Ito lang. King of Cups is here. Yeah. Can you see this? Dalawang King of Cups ang nagpakita. The Queen of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Alright, okay. In the near future, ano naghihintay dito sa connection ninyong dalawa? Oh, wow. The Six of Pentacles. Okay, and the Five of Wands. One more card. The World. Wow. And last card for you is the Three of Pentacles. So, nakakita tayo ng growth. Three of Pentacles is some kind of growth na may kinalaman sa pera. And I feel like pagtutulungan ninyong dalawa to. Yeah, there's pagtutulungan in the near future between the two of you. We do have the Five of Wands. I feel like may mga makakalaban or like this is very challenging connection, pero in the near future, pagtutulungan ninyo kung paano ninyo masusolusyonan ito. The Eight of Wands could be talking about family, kalaban regarding pamilya or what. Ito yung major problem na nakikita natin And very challenging with the Nine of Wands. But the Hangman is here. Parang pareho na kayo naghintay ng matagal dito and both of you are ready. Kasi, kumbaga nangyari na yung ending pero hindi pa rin naging dahilan itong ending na ito para hindi mabalik yung connection ninyong pareho sa isa't isa. Okay? Ang nakikita natin dito kung ano man yung mag-e-end ulit in the near future, hindi na may kinalaman sa... Okay, sorry about that. Naputol ulit yung video natin. Nag-full yung aking storage. But anyway, the King and Queen of Swords is here. Since may pagtutulungan sa inyo in the near future, nakikita natin meron kayong i-end. No? And yung ending na ito is wala nang kinalaman sa inyo. Kasi nag-end na yung sa inyo in the past tapos hindi naman nag-work out yung ending na yun Parang yung ending mas lalo lang kayo pinagtibay. You get what I mean? And At the bottom of the deck, we do have here the Six of Cups. So, in the future, nakakita tayo ng connection, communication. Yan, lalo na with the Page of Wands na mas magpapatibay sa relationship, sa connection ninyo with the Ten of Cups. And yung sinasabi ko kanina, kung ano man yung mag-e-end dito, maaaring ito yun. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na nagpapahirap sa inyong pareho. Kahit gaano man katibay with the Four of Wands, yan, pareho ninyong gustong i-end na yan. And this could mean career, another relationship with the Four of Wands, na ang hirap parang, 'di ba, kahit anong gawin, parang ang laki ng responsibilidad dito sa bagay na ito na parang hindi ko na kaya. And so, both of you are willing to end this kasi mahirap. And, pareho kayo nahihirapan doon sa mga kanya-kanyang bagay na nagpapahirap sa inyo. Wala yung kinalaman sa connection ninyo kasi sabi ko nga, maybe in the past, ang nag-suffer is yung connection ninyo, relationship ninyo, connection ninyo na nag-end na yon. And this time around, no nagkaroon ng like reconciliation, mas naging mas matibay siya. And kung may mga i-end kayo sa mga kanya-kanyang buhay ninyo yon, walang kinalaman sa connection. Yung connection may pagtutulungan. And what will be the outcome of this connection in the near future? Please tell me, spirit guides, angel guides. You do have here codependency. You do have your separation at the bottom of the deck. Getting to know each other. Express your love and romantic feelings. Whatever itong addictions or toxic energy na nakikita natin, could be another relationship, toxic relationship sa family, sa trabaho, or toxic relationship sa karelasyon na ngayon na pwedeng currently habang wala kayo, there's another relationship na involved. Malalaman yan getting to know each other. This is like a sign na malalaman kung ano yung toxicity nitong connection na to and the relationship na ito. And you do have your express your love. So there's this energy na doon niya makikita kung ano man yung totoo sa emotions na pwedeng with the romantic feelings. This is emotions or regarding sa connection ninyo. And then, this could possibly be the reason or magiging dahilan kung bakit yung connection niya with these toxic people or ikaw ay mag-end. We do have your separation. Yeah. Mararamdaman yung feeling ng parang pagkokontrol So, pwedeng yun yung magiging dahilan. Parang ayoko kasi nang kinokontrol ako, ganito, ganyan. Whether may kinalaman sa love yun or sa career or sa family, yun yung mararamdaman. So, that could lead into a separation doon sa particular area na yun lang naman ang nakakagulo sa connection ninyo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.